Welcome. If you've been struggling with Discord not working, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through some effective steps to resolve those pesky issues. Let's get started. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. 2. Restart your device. Long press on the power button and tap on Restart. 3. Update the Discord app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Discord, and tap on Update. 4. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, select Discord, tap on Storage, and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Check app permissions. Navigate to Settings, tap on Apps, select Discord, click on Permissions, and ensure all necessary permissions are granted. 6. Force stop and reopen. Discord, access Settings, tap on Apps, select Discord, choose Force stop, and then reopen the app. 7. Check for system updates. Ensure your Android OS is up to date by going to Settings, tapping on System, and selecting System Updates. 8. Reinstall Discord. To uninstall, long press the Discord app icon and tap Uninstall. Then reinstall it by returning to the Google Play Store, searching for Discord, and tapping Install. With these steps, you'll be back to chatting with friends in no time.